Hello and welcome back. We are good. So I'm looking at the Euro Yen. This is going to be the Euro Yen update. All right. So first of all, let's look at the previous video analysis, and then we're going to look at the updated one, what to expect from the updated. Okay. So I'm going to play that. Hello and welcome back. So Euro Yen this time. So it is going to be a Euro Yen update. If you remember, we were expecting this to break down, okay, and next correction for a time frame correction to form and price to continue to keep dragging lower. So for a time frame correction has almost completed on a lower time frame or for a time frame pullback, okay, and completed, and price is just trying to drag lower, okay. So if you already caught the move from a 50% retracement or 60%, 61% retracement, then great, okay. So let me pull up my fib from there, okay. So we have seen pullback was sharp. I was expecting a corrective pullback. So we got a slightly sharp pullback up to, we can say that 50 or 60, 55, right? And then price started to drag lower. So what is next? So next is very much simple and the same again. Like last time, we are looking at next daily leg to keep dragging lower. So just simply go to your lower time frame, okay? And if you are already in, then great. You're looking this to just keep dragging lower. If not, then you are looking this possible expanding triangle formation. Okay, let me draw some arrows. Okay, so you are looking price to push up for another leg and then keep dragging lower. Okay, if you are not in, if you are already in, okay, then you are looking this to just keep dragging lower. Okay, price to break down, all right, break down and form another correction. Okay, if you are already in, then you're looking breakout for the downside, this previous low breakout, and price to keep dragging lower and then form another correction over there and complete the bearish wave all the way back to that low. All right, so if you are not in, then let the price pull back to that top again, another 50 55% retracement of that previous move, okay, and then price to continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, remember, if you're going to see sharp breakup above that top, all right, so which is 130.80, yeah, so I mean, this pattern is not going to appear over there and price is going to break above that top, okay, then this is the setup, the bearish setup going to change, okay. We'll see what kind of formation going to be over there then, okay. So far it's forming correction, breaking down, forming another pullback, okay, and breaking down, and you are looking this to just keep playing that way. So we'll see you back again in another setup. Thank you. Yeah, so hopefully you understand that what we were expecting and what price has done. So let's look at that. Let's look at this daily time frame. Okay, so we are expecting another leg to appear over there. Okay, so we were watching for a breakout from there, if you remember. So we got that, all right, and now let's look at the lower time frame. Okay, so in the analysis which we have just seen, we were expecting price to keep breaking down for more downside and correction and then drop, or give us a that pattern formation, okay, which we have just seen over there. All right, so we got a sharp sell off yesterday, all right, and price is just giving us another impulsive move for the downside like this previous one. All right, so the next analysis is very much same, all right, like the euro dollar, okay. If you remember the euro dollar chart, okay, so you are watching price to just keep dragging lower first, okay, the next impulsive wave to keep extending all the way back to that low, all right, or give us another correction over there for next breakout to the downside. Okay, again, as I said yesterday on the euro dollar, do not chase the breakdown on the euro impulse for more downside, let the price correct. Okay, so similar way you are looking euro yen to give you another correction over there, okay, at least on a 1 hour time frame chart, okay, and then the next impulsive wave all the way back to that low. Okay, so your first target, as I said, should be there. Okay, your first target is already short term, short term targets already reached. All right, so that was a short term target. Yeah, this is also a short term target, but if you are holding it for more downside or a bigger wave, okay, then your target at least should be this or that. All right, so what you are looking now, okay, another correction to form, okay, and price to just keep dragging lower. Make sure you understand that price has already made its, let me pull out this tool, okay, so just look at that. Price has almost made, dropped 150 pips from that top, okay, and the way which we are expecting right now to go all the way up to this low, all right, this low in best case scenario. So there you can see almost a 50% move has gone from that top, all right, and the lower the price goes means that the potential for the downside is reducing, all right. So make sure you understand that where you are you know, getting into the market and where you are, you know, getting out from the market. All right, so need another correction, okay, and price to just keep dragging lower all the way back to that low. Again, in case if we see that the price is going to break that top sharply, okay, then it will change the, it may change the bearish setup, okay, but we'll see how that breakout gonna look like. Okay, so thank you, we'll see you back again. Until then, bye bye.